Okay, we're starting with the choices of has or have. Has would be singular verb and have would be a plural verb. I'm going to give you nouns and I want you to choose has or have. Jelly beans, have, because it's plural. Water bottle. Water bottle has, it's singular. Minecraft has. Cities have, it's plural. Olivia has, it's singular. Pigment has, it's singular. Let's go to do and does. Do would be plural and does would be singular. Zoom. Zoom does, it's singular. Michael does, it's singular. People do, people is plural. Pandas, it is do, pandas is plural. Parade does, it's singular. Governor does, it's singular. Macaroni does, it's singular. Ice cream does, it's singular. We just did. It sounds like I'm saying duh, but I'm saying does. Sorry. Our new lesson for today is picking subjects in verb agreement. And we're talking with compound subjects. So let's review what's a compound subject. It's having more than one subject joined by and or something else. And compound subjects joined by and will usually take a plural verb. So example, language and spelling. Language and spelling, there's two. Language and spelling are fun. It's plural, so it takes a plural verb of are. This next one, the boy and girl has or have a dog. The subject would be boy and girl. That is two. It's joined by and, so it would actually be have. The boy and girl have a dog. So let's look closely at page 235. Mr. Stevens and his family have gone. You would use have, which is plural, because there's more than one. It's Mr. Stevens and then family. That's two. A math book and a sweater were left on the bus. You have book, you have sweater. Those are the subjects. That's two things joined by and. You'd use the plural were left. Okay? So let's look at think A. Underline the subject one time and underline the correct verb in parentheses 2 times. Remember, singular goes with singular, plural goes with plural. The colt and its mother is or are playing in the field. The subjects are colt and mother, so underline both of those once. Colt, mother, are. It's two subjects joined by and, so it would be are. Number 2, the girl and her brother knows or know the answer. The girl and her brother knows or know the answer. The subject, you would underline girl, and then also brother, girl and brother. That's two joined by and, so it's plural, it'd be know. The girl and her brother know the answer. Number 3, your pen and pencil is or are lying on the floor. Subject is pen and pencil. And the verb would be plural are lying. Number 4, subject is chicks and mother. Chicks and mother, so that's compound, and the verb is drink. It would be plural. The 3 chicks and their mother drink a lot of water. Now, number 5, comets and meteors is or are 2 different things. The subject is comets and meteors. Are is the verb that would agree. Number 6, here is or are David and Melissa with our food. Here and there are never subjects, so you should underline David and Melissa. David and Melissa is compound subject. Are is the verb. Number 7, the house and the fence needs or need painting. The subject is house and fence. That's 2 joined by and, so it's need painting, the plural. The next sentence, Jessica, Taylor, and Elizabeth is or are in the same class. Underline your subjects. Jessica, Taylor, Elizabeth, and it is are. It's plural. Number 9, a smile and a thank you is or are nice additions to any situation. Subject is smile and thank you. And the verb is are, it's plural. Number 10, the fish in the tank and the fish at the market looks and look completely different. Well, the subject is fish and fish. But that is joined by and it's compound, and so it is look. Now, hopefully you didn't say the subject was tank or market, because those are in prepositional phrases and they tried to sneak in there, but hopefully you said fish and fish. Now, think B. Don't be tricked by those sneaky prepositional phrases. You're going to underline the subject once and the verb 2 times. Now remember, with subjects and verb agreement, don't let the prepositional phrase get in between the subject and the verb. They are a match made in heaven, and these prepositional phrases are little home wreckers. So keep the home wreckers away and underline the subject once, the verb twice, and make sure that they agree with each other. Okay, so let's look at thing B. You might want to even cross these out. Cross out with 2 passengers because it's a prepositional phrase. The subject is pilot, and then pilot is one, so you would use was. Pilot was. Now, if you read it, it says the pilot with 2 passengers was in the airplane, and that is correct. Number 2, John, like his brother, was or were in the Boy Scouts. Like his brother is a prepositional phrase, so underline John once. John is one, so use a singular verb, and singular verbs usually end in S. John was. Number 3, the ship with all its crew was or were sunk. With all its crew, cross it out. That is a prepositional phrase. The subject is ship, one thing, ship was, singular, singular. Number 4, nobody except the members is or are admitted to the clubhouse. Cross out except the members. And it is nobody is the subject. Nobody is one thing. Nobody is. Nobody is. Singular, singular. Number 5, the light from the lighthouse shines or shine through the storm. The subject is light. Cross out from the lighthouse. That's a prepositional phrase. And shines is the verb. Singular matches with singular. Number 6, the house with all its contents was or were destroyed. With all its contents is a prepositional phrase. House is the subject. Was destroyed is the verb. So you'd use was. Singular matches with singular. Where was or were you last evening? It's a question, and so the subject is you. You is a subject, and you is always plural, so goes with were. Where was you? No, it's where were you. Number 8, cereal and toast is or are his favorite breakfast foods. Cereal and toast are the subjects. Are is the verb. Plural goes with plural, and you have compound subjects, which is 2 or more subjects joined by and that's why you use a plural. Go to page 236, so turn the page and choose is or are for think A, and pause this and I'll check it when you get back. Okay, we're checking what you did on your own. Number 1, the noise of the excited children is deafening. The subject is actually noise. Noise is. Not children. Children is part of a prepositional phrase. Number 2, Brandon and I are singing a duet in Sunday school next week. Brandon and I is a compound. Brandon and I, those are a compound subject you have joined by and. So it's 2 or more things, which makes it plural. That's why you use a plural verb are. Number 3, there are 12 boys and 14 girls in our class. The subject is not here or there. Here or there are never subjects. It's the subject is boys and girls, which is compound. Boys and girls is compound, which makes it plural, and boys and girls are. Number 4, a friend of my cousin's is coming to Awana with them. Of my cousin is a prepositional phrase. Of my cousins is a prepositional phrase. The subject is actually friend. So you can't go by what sounds right anymore because it is what agrees more. Friend is singular, is singular. Number 5, is Lauren feeling better than today? Or is Lauren feeling better today? Lauren is the subject, is feeling is the verb. Lauren is singular, is the singular. Number 6, there is an announcement about our test on the bulletin board. The subject is not there, the subject is announcement. That's one thing, announcement is. Number 7, they is the subject, and then are coming is the verb. They is more than one, so it goes with a plural verb. How'd you do? Think B. Pause this video and you're going to decide if it's singular or plural. Pause. Okay. Number 1, she was singular. Prayer does, singular. Number 3, tiger pounces, singular. Number 4, answers were plural. Number 5, kittens are plural. Number 6, they sigh, plural. Number 7, papers were plural. Number 8, cartoon is singular. Number 9, elephants remember, plural. And number 10, I am singular. I said I'm single. I am is singular. I am single as well. Okay, think C. Choose does or do. Does or do. You is plural, so it goes with do. You do. Number 2, they is plural, goes with do. They do. Number 3, policeman, that's one, policeman does, singular, singular. Number 4, grammar, singular, does, grammar does. Number 5, Natalie does, singular, singular. Number 6, leaders, plural, do, leaders do. Number 7, it, singular, does, singular. Number 8, tests, do, plural, plural. Number 9, mom does, singular, singular. And number 10, we do, plural, plural. All right, write D. On notebook paper, write sentences using the following words. The plural of lady as a subject, All right, so how would we spell plural lady? It's a consonant plus Y. Poof the Y, change it to an I and add ES. So it should be something with the word ladies, Ladies, as a subject. Maybe you say, ladies go first. I don't know what you chose. Maybe you said the ladies are crazy. Ladies. All right, number 2, goes as the verb. Now, goes ends in S, and it's a verb, so that means it's singular. Say Miss Phelan goes to school every morning, but I don't. And number 3, a compound subject joined by and. So pick a compound subject joined by and. Mint chocolate chip and half-baked are 2 of my favorite flavors. I used ice cream flavors. But you pick whatever you want. All right, we're done for today. Today's video was a little bit shorter. And we got all of our language done, so no homework because we did it all together. All right, see you next time.